Are you looking for a new and exciting experience? Do you want to take a real dive into careers after high school? Do you want to find something more to fulfill you? Then maybe it's time you stop looking down and start aiming high. And get hands-on. Welcome to the Laurel County Center for Innovation. The CFI is a career and technical school, meaning we teach you the skills to pay the bills. We can provide you the tools to be successful in a career after high school. We have 6 programs to study, each with career paths in different fields. In health science, you learn how to take care of people. We get you on the path to a medical career by teaching you patient care skills, first aid, CPR, and a whole lot more. Our future nurses, doctors, and first responders are all trained right here. Industrial maintenance keeps our Commonwealth and our country running. Electrical wiring, construction, machine maintenance, programming, and welding are the tools to keep the industrial world turning. Their skills help build our future. Media Arts is home to our creatives with photography, video production, and graphic design. If it's something that sparks the imagination, they make it. They have a state-of-the-art creative studio with cameras, a full Adobe workshop, and 2 studios, all to make your dreams a reality. Computer science is programming our future. Here you learn how to think like a computer and how to design the apps, software, and games the world needs. Using Python, JavaScript, HTML, they code the road to tomorrow. Engineering is where our problem solvers thrive. They learn to design solutions to the problems we face. Computer-aided design, robotics, aerospace engineering, and a little programming are what you learn here. If you want to learn to design things that will change the world, this is where you need to be. Introducing our newest program at the CFI, Aviation. Here students take to the sky. They work towards a pilot's license, craft model planes and rockets, fly drones, and even take flight in an immersive flight simulator. With the Aviation program, CFI takes aiming high to a whole new level. Not only do we have 6 awesome programs, but each one has access to dual credit classes where you earn college credit in high school. You can also earn industry certifications that will earn you more money the second you enter the workforce. So what are you waiting on? Now's the time to take the initiative and shape your future. A better tomorrow is in your reach. Get your application in today and join a school where we aim high. Get hands-on and aim high at the CFI.